How do you manage consent for sensitive data categories? Imagine you are sharing your personal health or financial details online. How do organizations make sure they handle that information properly? Managing consent for sensitive data is a vital part of data privacy and compliance. It's not just about ticking a box. It's about respecting your rights and following strict laws. Sensitive data includes health records, financial information, biometric data, and other personally identifiable information. Laws like the General Data Protection Regulation and the California Consumer Privacy Act requiring clear, informed, and voluntary consent before processing this kind of data. To do this effectively, organizations need to collect explicit consent. That means you have to actively agree, not just remain silent. They should also allow you to specify what types of sensitive data you are comfortable sharing and for what reasons. For example, a health app might ask if you agree to share your blood pressure data but not your mental health notes. Transparency is key. Organizations must clearly explain what data they collect, how they will use it, who will see it, and how you can withdraw your consent at any time. This helps build trust and keeps them compliant. Artificial intelligence can assist by automatically classifying sensitive data and tracking consent status. This means AI can identify when consent is needed, monitor if it's been given, and flag any unauthorized use. Privacy by design is another important principle. Systems should be built to collect only the necessary data and use techniques like anonymization or pseudonymization to protect your privacy. Dynamic consent models also help. These allow you to change or withdraw your consent easily over time, which is especially useful in healthcare or elder care settings. Regular audits are essential to make sure consent mechanisms are accessible and free from bias. For example, AI systems should not present options in a way that influences your decision unfairly. Different regions have different rules. The General Data Protection Regulation requires opt-in consent for sensitive data, while the California law often operates on an opt-out basis. AI systems managing consent need to adapt to these legal differences. Secure storage of consent records is also critical. They serve as proof that you agreed and allow you to withdraw your consent if needed. AI can help update data processing activities immediately when you change your mind. Practical tools include AI-powered data classification to identify sensitive information before asking for consent. Machine learning can monitor compliance and detect misuse. AI can also anonymize data to reduce the need for explicit consent in some cases. User interfaces should be simple and clear, showing your options and what they mean. AI can personalize these interfaces to make it easier for you to understand and decide. Managing consent for sensitive data is about balancing legal requirements, ethical considerations, and technological tools. It's about making sure your rights are protected while organizations responsibly handle your information. Using AI to automate and improve these processes helps create a safer, more transparent environment for everyone.